This one's for the accuser. Too much innocent soul get damaged by lies. Look into my eyes, Jah know the truth. This one's for the accusers. Stop telling lies, damaging innocent soul. Look into my eyes. Who the cap fit, where it humble and wise. Every action reveal itself in time. First them point finger try to tear me down. Accusations from my own left me nearly drowned. Dark clouds gather when no love around, but the most I lift me from the ground. Some smiling on your face, but them spirit corrupt. Quick for judge another soul, just to lift themselves up. Pressure nearly bust me head, heart nearly erupt. Still me hold firm when the road get rough. Second, third, fourth, fifth, hell for the accuser. Throw your stones, but they only make me stronger. Rise above the flames, your words fuel the fire. In this life journey, my spirit climb higher. Second, third, fourth, fifth, hell for the accuser. Truth can dead and righteousness endure. Jah guide me through the storm and the pressure. Clean heart, walk through every weather. Family confusion and emotional war. Pressure from near and pressure from far. Some lose themselves trying to leave scar. Still Jah guide me like a shining star. Too much judgment, too much disguise. Too many people living double lives. Still me stand with truth by my side. Can't bury righteousness no matter how them try. Depression visit but me never stay down. Just send strength every time I touch ground. Through the silence and the whispered sound, me still wear my dignity like crown. Kept me calm while Jah watch over me. Storms keep raging like infinity. Them try break my spirit repeatedly, but truth still shine eternally. Me now walk with hate in my soul. Too much darkness already take control. Music and truth help me stay whole. Jah Jah protect my journey and goal. This no hatred song, this a testimony. Too much damage hearts in society. Some destroy lives just for feel mighty, but clean hands walk with dignity. Me know the nights when depression call, when faith get tested against the wall. Still me rise every time I fall, cause Jah love greater than it all. No revenge, no evil intention, just reflection and deeper redemption. Every false word bring consequence eventually. Truth reveal itself naturally. Third, fourth, fifth, hell for the accuser. Throw your stones, but they only make me stronger. Rise above the flames, your words fuel the fire. Truth and righteousness take me higher. Second, third, fourth, fifth, hell for the accuser. Jah know the truth and the heart of the sufferer. Though the road rough and the burden heavier, still my spirit rise stronger and stronger. This song inspired by true life experience, not revenge, just reflection. To the accusers, lives are affected by every false word spoken. Truth reveal itself eventually. Love always. Guilty by Gendah.